This is our quick overview of ThinkCentral Lesson 5.5 for homework. Basically, we're just practicing long division. So first step is we put the dividend inside the house, put your divisor outside, and let's make our initial estimates. I know that I cannot make a group of 8 out of 700, so I'm going to X that out. I can make a group of 8 out of 78. I know that 9 times 8 is 72, so that's going to be my quotient in the tens place. I have 6 tens left over, and 8 goes into 64 8 times, and there's no remainder. So the answer will be 98 with no remainder. How many times can you take away 3 from 4,900? Well, you can take away one group of 3 from the thousands place, and you'll end up with 1,000 left over. Regroup that into hundreds, 1900s. I can make 6 groups of 3, and I take that away. I get 100 left over. I can make 3 groups of, if I have 10 tens, I can make 3 groups, and I'll have 1 left over, and then I'll have 3 groups of 1s with 1 left over, so my remainder will be 1. And you can check that by multiplying 1,633 times 3 and add 1 to it. You should end up with 4,900. 3 will go into 4,000 one time, and you end up with 1,000 left over. Bring it down. 3 will go into 11 3 times. Subtract that. Bring it down. 3 will go into 23 7 times. You get 2 left over, bring it down. 3 will go into 28 9 times, and that's 27, and there'll be 1 left over, so your remainder is 1. 1,379, remainder 1. Milo wants to make guacamole for a party. The avocados are on sale for 88 cents each, and he has $8.23. So you have to realize that this is in cents here, and this is in dollars and cents. So we need to convert that into cents in order to make it easier to divide. So I set up the problem this way: 88 cents into $8.23. Multiplying this by 100 and multiplying this by 100 gives me an easier number to divide. So it's how many times will 8 go into 823 cents? Draw my columns. 88 does not go into 8. And what does it go into? 82. So I have to make an estimate. I'm guessing it's going to be about 9 because this here is close to 90. 9 times 90 would be 81, so or 810. So I'm going to say 9 as my estimate. I multiply to find out if it's an overestimate or underestimate. And when I do that, I get 9 times 88 is 792. I have a remainder of 31. So he can only buy 9 avocados. You have to ignore the remainder because you do not have enough money left over to buy an additional avocado because they're 88 cents each. Alright, if you can fit 19 files on each CD and you have 748 files, how many CDs do you need to fit all of these files on a CD? So 19 will not go into 7. It will go into 74. My estimate is this is close to 20, so my estimate, and this is close to 70, so my estimate is going to be 3 times. Let me check that. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 1 plus 3 is 5. And I have 17 left over, so that was a good estimate. I bring down the 8. If this number was greater than 19, I'd have to adjust my quotient up 1. 19 goes in 178. I'm going to say 10 times would be 190, so I'm going to say 9 times. 9 times 19 is 81. 9, 17, 171, so I have 7 left over. So I have 39 CDs it's going to fit on, but I have 7 left over. And because I have 7 left over and I also need to put those on a file, I'm going to have to round this up to the next number. So I'm going to need 40 CDs to hold all of the 748 files. remember you have to round up because you need to have enough CDs for all the files. And that means you have to round up because you have a remainder. Alright, that's the end of the lesson. Just need to practice a little bit. Remember, check your answers with a calculator, but don't use a calculator to get the answer. It's important that you use it just for your estimations. Alright, great, thanks.